Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, revered teachers, and all my dear friends. Happy Madhya Pradesh Foundation Day to all of you. Today, on the occasion of Madhya Pradesh Foundation Day, I, Aradhya Agrawal, along with my teammates, will be going to give you a presentation on our miraculous state of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, a state of India. As its name implies, Madhya means central and Pradesh means region or state. It is situated in the heart of country. Madhya Pradesh is also known as the heart of India because of its location in the center of the country. History of Madhya Pradesh. The history of the Indian state Madhya Pradesh is divided into three periods. During the ancient period, the region was dominated by the Nanda, Maurya and the Gupta empires. Tribal of Madhya Pradesh. The population of tribals in Madhya Pradesh is 1,22,033. Tribals in Madhya Pradesh include Bega, Baria, Bhils, Gondi people, Kaul, Korku, Malto, Meria and Saharia. That's why Madhya Pradesh is also known as the tribal state of India. Language of Madhya Pradesh. The official language of the state is Hindi. State symbols of Madhya Pradesh. State animal Barasingha. State bird Indian paradise flycatcher. State tree banyan tree. State fish Mahashir. State flower Madonna lily. State sports Malkham. Madhya Pradesh has 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, attracting a large number of international tourists also. Rudyard Kipling, the writer of Jungle Book, found his inspiration in this wondrous habitat.
I, Karthik Pratap Singh, will give you some knowledge about the forest and natural wildlife of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh was originally the largest state in India until November 1, 2000. One-third of the state is forested and offers an exciting panorama of wildlife. In the national parks of Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Shivkunj and many others, one has a rare opportunity to see tigers, bisons, crocodiles and etc. but in a very clear and in a silent surrounding. There are 11 national parks and 25 wildlife sanctuaries. As per the latest estimate of the Forest Survey of India, published in State of Forest Report IFSR 2017, the total forest cover of Madhya Pradesh is 77412 km, which is 25.11% of the total area. There are 11 national parks and 25 wildlife sanctuaries spread over an area of 10,862 km, constituting 11.40% of total forest area and 3.52% of geographical area of the state.
Today I Shaurya Jain is here to tell you about tourist places in MP. Our first place is Khajuraho. Khajuraho, it is a small town which is located in Bundelkhand in India. It is declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for its historic temple. The second place is Bheda Ghat, which is also located in Madhya Pradesh. It is about 20 km far from Jabalpur. It is a very renowned tourist place. Many tourists go there. It's famous because of its Dhuandhar Hills. Third place is Pachmari. It is located in Madhya Pradesh. It is very famous. Many tourists come here. It is the hill station of Madhya Pradesh and it has the highest altitude in Madhya Pradesh. It is known as Satpura ki Rani, or in English, Queen of Satpura.
My name is Soumya and I am going to present about the fairs and festivals of Madhya Pradesh. First is the Lok Rang Festival. Dancers and the musicians perform on the stage, making the environment festive. The event aims in eliminating the differences among the locals based on area and lifestyle. Second one is the Akhil Bharatiya Sangeet Samarah. The writers and the poets from all over the world come here for the 7 brilliant days of poetry recitation, story reading and cultural performances. The third one is the Khajuraho Festival. The Khajuraho Festival is celebrated in Khajuraho of Chandrapur district. The dance and music should be the mid-name of MP. The Khajuraho Festival is the manifestation of all dance forms of India. The fourth one is the Bhagoria Haat Festival. It is celebrated in Jhabua and the areas near it. It is also known as the Festival of Love and it is celebrated with great pomp and shown by the tribal peoples of MP. The fifth one is the Ujjain Kumbh Mela. It is one of the biggest and ancient Hindu festival. It is celebrated 4 times in every 12 years in 4 cities of India, the Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain or Nasik. The sixth one is the Malwa Utsav. It is one of the biggest, largest and most spectacular event of MP. The dance and music is the integral part of this festival. is the Tansen Sangeet Samaroh. If the sole purpose of coming to India is to hear the rhythmic, classical and folk music of India, then Tansen Sangeet Samaroh is the best platform. It is one of the oldest and biggest musical festival of India. Thank you.
The state of Madhya Pradesh is known as the Heart of India, not just because of its geographical location but also because of its rich culture, heritage as well as vibrant cuisine. The state offers a good number of delicious food which attracts food lovers towards it. Both vegetarians and non-vegetarians could definitely find enough to explore in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Some popular hubs of Madhya Pradesh like the capital Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, Ratlam and the temples of Ujjain also offer a vibrant cuisine. Talking about the most popular dishes, poha and jalebi is one of the most favored and famous breakfast in Madhya Pradesh, along with some tea and coffee. Dal bafla, dal bati, biryani, pulao, rogan josh, Indori namkeen, chakki ki salais are also one of the most popular cuisines found in MP.
Madhya Pradesh is noted for its Hindu classical and folk music. Two of the medieval India's most noted singers, Tansen and Baiju Barwa, were born near Gwalior. Indore and Ujjain are the birthplaces of many noted singers and musicians, both past and present. The noted playback singer Lata Mangeshkar, also called as the Nightingale of India, was born in Indore. With Bhimbedka Rock Shelters, Kandri Mahadev Temple, Bateshwar Temple Complex, Chauth Yogini Temple, Brahma Statue, Gwalior Fort, Lakshmi Temple, and I keep on going with the magnificent and the delightful places. Madhya Pradesh is a home of rich heritage with innumerable monuments, exquisitely carved temples and forts and palaces dotted all across it.